While we have our downtime, sometimes certain projects seem a little overwhelming, but I think you'd be surprised what you can get accomplished if you just set aside like maybe 15 minutes a day to do things. And I'll give you an example. It's a mess down here right now. If you look behind me, I have stuff all over the place. There's garbage, there's recycling. My desk is horrific. I'm going to take 15 minutes and give this room some attention, and only 15 minutes. It's about 6 o'clock now. I'll come back at 6:15 and show you what I got. Here we are 15 minutes later, and it's better. Now, it's not perfect, but it's better. I'm chiseling away at this slowly. I'm not trying to tackle it all at once. If I did that, it would probably be pretty overwhelming. I'd get tired and would just give up on it. But if I can just do a little bit a day, it helps. So if you're at home and you're looking at a project and it's just overwhelming you, try just a little bit at a time, a little bit every day. Before you know it, you may have it knocked out. So there's some quarantine advice for you, something to do in your downtime. It's what I'm trying to do. And I'll work on a little bit more tomorrow and the next day and the next day until I'm happy with it. So that's it. We'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves. Practice and enjoy.